Hi you guys, it's me Shante and welcome back to Shake It Up with Shante. If you've been here before, welcome back as always. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome and thank you guys as well. Look, listen y'all, it's gonna be real quick, real easy peasy and simple, I promise you. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my way of how I fix my old country favorite boiled peanuts. Yes, boiled peanuts. I'm gonna show you how I do that in the crock pot. Without further ado, let's shake something up, baby. All right, y'all, so we got the peanuts right here. Look, I got this from my local grocery. I got a pound of them for $3.69. I have 2 of these, and these are just your regular green raw peanuts. Now, they have some dry and they have some come in the cooler section, which I got mine out of the cooler section and I actually bought them yesterday. So I put them in my refrigerator once I got home because I don't know how it works if you leave them out. I don't know if they go bad or what, but anyway, I got 2 pounds. They was $3 and something. Well, this one was $3. They're a little bit over a pound. They 1.4. And this was $3.69 and this one is about 1 pound, but it's 1.40 and it was $3.49 a pound. All right, so I have that. Now, I know a lot of people, I don't know if you do or have you ever tried it, but I will be putting some smoked turkey necks in my boiled peanuts, auntie. Yes, some smoked turkey necks. Look at these smoked turkey necks, honey. Got them fresh out the freezer, honey. And you can put them in a crock pot when they frozen. Don't matter. Just wash them up real good and let that be that. So what I'm going to season these boiled peanuts with is some onion powder, lemon pepper, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, and some salt, baby. This recipe is so versatile. I don't know if people ever tried it, but if you ever been to a little country flea market or anything like that, you know, they sell peanuts in all different flavors. You could do lemon pepper, you could do garlic, you could do salt and pepper, you could do the Cajun. You can make them any kind of way you want to. I like to mix mine up because they all kind of really taste the same, except if you make your seasoning really strong, it'll stand out. But it all kind of tastes the same to me. Like I like it mixed. It can be mixed for me. So if you want to put some Old Bay in yours, you can feel free to put some Old Bay in yours, baby, because I like that too. But anywho, I'm going to be using the lemon pepper, the onion powder, the garlic powder, the salt, and the crushed red peppers, along with some smoked turkey necks. Alright, so first thing first, I'm going to take these raw peanuts out of the bag. I'm going to give them a good rinse. I don't know where they came from, where they been. So I'm going to take them to the sink and strain them and so forth. Alright, y'all. So I have washed, rinsed, whatever you want to do. I did that to them. So I'm going to pour them in my crock pot right here. This is real simple and quick, y'all. It's real simple. If you like boiled peanuts and you've never tried them, if you like boiled peanuts and you've never tried to cook them this way, try to cook your own boiled peanuts. Trust me, and these are some fat ones too, honey. These some fat boiled peanuts. Make sure you get raw. Make sure you get the raw ones. Okay, so that's my 2 pounds, and my crock pot is kind of big. It's an older crock pot, but nonetheless it works. It big and I like it. So I'm gonna take me some of these smoked turkey necks. I'm gonna rinse these off real quick. I got my smoked turkey necks here that I done washed off. I can't tell you how to wash your meat. However you wash your meat, that's how you wash your meat. But I just wash mine real good. More like a rinse, but really wash. Alright, so I got me some big fat smoked turkey necks I'm going to stick down in here. Now, if y'all ain't never tried boiled peanuts before, don't knock it till you try it, baby. Because, honey, you have to put a box of Band-Aids on the table when these get done. Because you're going to bite that finger, baby, in need. Trust me. Real good. This is real good, honey. If you like pinto beans, you'll like you some boiled peanuts. Alright, so now I'm going to add my water. Before I add my seasonings, I'm going to add my water. Now, I put enough water. I can't tell you how much it is. I put enough water to it cover all my peanuts and my meat. Just like that till it start rising up. You see it start rising up? Put a little bit more. And I want to say this was probably almost a gallon. Probably yes, almost was a gallon of water. Almost. Alright, so I have that in there. sure it covers your cover. It's gonna kind of float up, so just make sure you have enough. You see how I can stick my hand in there like that, have enough room in there like that. That's how you want it to be, just like that. Make sure you got enough water in there. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings. So I'm gonna put some onion powder. I should have been open this, because y'all, my husband be like, why don't you open everything before you start? And you know, this one thing that went open, but he'll be all right. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna put some onion powder. And you wanna put this seasoning here heavy, because I'm gonna cook this baby on high for 8 hours. So that was probably about three tablespoons of onion powder. Now I'm gonna put some lemon pepper. Lemon pepper, about 4 tablespoons, because I really want that lemon pepper flavor. 4 tablespoons. And trust me, it won't be too salty, y'all. It won't be too salty because it got all that water in there. So it won't be too salty. That was my lemon pepper, my onion powder. Now I'm putting my garlic powder. About the same amount, 3 or 4. And remember, I got 2 pounds of peanuts in here. 2 pounds of raw peanuts. Now, I don't want them too spicy, but it ain't going to go in, because you know it's inside the shell. So it's not going to make it too hot, because it's inside the shell. So, you know, you got to get them flavors up in that shell, baby, so it can get on them nuts. Okay? No copy. All right, then we're going to use some salt. Make sure you put enough salt. And, y'all, it looks like I put a lot of seasoning in here, but trust me, it's not, because it's not going to go through the shell like that, you know. You got these hard peanuts, it got to get in there. So you got to put enough. You got to put enough. So got my smoked turkey neck in here. I got all my seasonings, my nuts. Got it turned on. I'm finna put this thing on high. High, and I'm gonna set this for 8 hours. Now, I don't know about y'all crock pot, but once I set mine, it turns off when it's done. 8 hours over, it turns itself off, and I don't have to worry about it. Look, y'all, that's just how easy and simple it is. You cover it up. That's it. You wait your 8 hours. You're going to be smelling this throughout your house, and you're going to be like, dang, that stuff smells good. But trust me when I say, let it cook for 8 hours. Your meat is gonna be falling apart, but your nuts is not.
Got him! Got him!
Your nuts ain't gonna fall apart. All right, your nuts still gonna be intact. Okay. So you know, once these 8 hours up, I won't be back midway. I won't be back halfway or quarter of a way to come show y'all how I look. I will be back in exactly 8 hours to show you guys the final results of my crock pot raw boiled peanuts. I see y'all in 8 hours. Bye. All right, y'all. So them 8 hours up, let's check on these boiled peanuts. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that goodness. Look at that goodness. If y'all could smell this and how these past 8 hours, like we've been smelling nuts, and I mean, oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at them smoked turkey neck. Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Look at that meat, y'all. It just come right off there. It just falls right off there. Now, of course, you want to let these cool down, because these nuts are hot. So you want to let these nuts cool down. Look at that one, y'all. Look at that big one. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. Now you could do this with pigtails also. I wouldn't recommend chicken or turkey, because if you let that cook for 8 hours, it's just going to shred up and you're not going to see any of that. It's going to like deteriorate. Cooking in the crock pot for 8 hours, some chicken or some turkey. But if you use some pigtails or this type of turkey necks right here, you know, it'll work. It'll work good. I'm going to taste this, y'all. I'm going to open one and taste it. All right, y'all. So I got me a couple right here. When I tell y'all these things good, I can smell, I can taste the turkey, the smoked turkey. I can taste it in these nuts and all those seasonings that's in them. I can taste it, y'all. But you know, of course, once you let these cook in a crock pot for the 8 hours and you've put all your seasonings in there, you want to let it sit for a couple of hours to cool down so that all the seasoning all the seasonings can really soak into them nuts. So let it cool, let it sit in the crock pot in the broth for a couple of hours after you turn your crock pot off for the 8 hours. Just let it sit so it can soak up all that goodness as it's cooling down. That's when it is at its best. But I know some of us can't wait like me, and we still gotta eat it and try it and see how it tastes. And it still tastes good just like this because I can taste the seasoning. But if you want that strong, pungent seasoning taste, let it sit for a couple of hours in the broth to cool down after you've boiled them. And you can really taste it. I mean, they're good just like this. I'm gonna eat me a bowl of these just like this first. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this quick, country, easy, down south recipe of mine, how I do my boiled peanuts in a crock pot. And if you like boiled peanuts, go ahead and try to make you some boiled peanuts just like this. And if you ain't never tried them, don't knock them till you try them. Try them. Share them with your family, honey. This is a great snack for late at night. If you've enjoyed this video, I really, really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video, like the video. Please leave a comment and don't forget to share. I greatly appreciate it. Until that next video, I'll see you guys then. And don't forget to make you some boiled peanuts. Bye, y'all.